this is the first display unit that I got that had the 70 capacity, and I put all of my international indies, although some of them are still spilling out there. And on the old, you can see the difference in size there between the ones that hold 30 and the ones that hold 70. And what I want to try to do is reorganise my Arders nails polishes. At the moment they're in colour order, and I want to probably try and get them back into collection order, and I think there may be some space for my prism polishes as well. So let's check this out. I do have quite a few Arders nails polishes. Ooh, all the way to over here. It's all very dusty. So I think this is a little bit neater. That's my international indies again. And what I've done is I've put everything back into collection. Now I've still got some polishes hanging around downstairs near my filming area. Some mystery polishes here. That's the Nail Ninjas collection, last year's Christmas collection, the South London trio, 2 of the Westworld trio, the Bad Boy 2 collection. So all of the different collections, not all of them, some of them I've got around the house. And then here are some of the mystery polishes and just like the prototype, some of the ones that Kat's given me or sent across to me. And at the bottom here, my budding collection of prism polishes, a couple of minis, Wicked, some Illusion polishes there. So yeah, that's a kind of corner of my bedroom at the moment, but that is considerably neater than it was before. There's Marwin.